guys, it's your boy WFroms with Dan, and in today's video I am doing a case battle versus my least favorite Turk. Hello, Furious.
Hello, how many Turks do you know?
One is more than enough. Today we're joined by Lime.
Hello. Me lowering my voice. Hello.
Yeah, me when the e-girls join and the huzz are on. Hello. And I got weather app on my phone.
Yo guys, what's up?
We're joined by Sams.
Hello.
Sams has a son in the background apparently. And we're joined by Alex.
Hello.
And today we are going to be doing a 1200 fever case battle. It's the new case from the armory. You can get ruby, sapphire, black pearl, tiger tooth, a lot of cool skins.
Wait, where can I get those skins?
Good question, Sams. You can get them from today's sponsor. Thank you, Pirate Swap, for sponsoring. Pirate Swap is a CS2 trading site and instant sell site where you trade skins for brand new ones or instantly sell them for real money. No more sitting and waiting for your skin listings to sell, since Pirate Swap buys the skins directly from you and pay instantly. They also have freebies where you can win skins from just trading and depositing using code Anomaly for 35% extra, or you can do the free challenges where you're rewarded with trading balance. So if you want to try out Pirate Swap, then please do so from the link in the description, and thank you once again, Pirate Swap, for sponsoring this video. These 1200 cases, it's very simple. The winner, the guy who opens the most value, he wins all the other person's skins.
Wait, let's do loser wins all.
Why? Because you're a loser?
No, because I just... you're 30 years old!
You opened? Oh my god, okay, shit.
He got me by a red offer it.
You did?
First one purple, I'm not complaining.
In the last battle we did, you opened like how many? Like 4 golds on me or something?
Yeah, 4. I got my first ruby.
Yeah? No way! What? Already? 0.19. Holy shit. Wait, how much is that worth?
It's more than 50, I'm killing myself.
110 euro!
Dodo, what do you think of this, by the way? I kind of crashed out on all the Pokemon stuff.
That's Pokemon?
Yeah, that's all Pokemon.
How'd you get it?
Guys, Fury told me the other day that he's scalping Pokemon. What does that mean? He said he's a scalper. He sells to children and he profits so much from it.
I opened my shit, okay? That's not scalping.
No, you stole that, you told me, from the guy from the store.
Shut the fuck up! What's the best thing we can get from this case?
Love. Oh, from this kid.
Oh yes, mineral air! Suck this! Suck this! Yes, open your mouth! Open your mouth!
Open your mouth! No, yeah, good boy, Sam. Good boy.
It's 186 euro. It's still doable for sure. You're only about...
I'm in the lead.
Whoa! Wait, this pattern, Fury, actually... I'm lying. Wait!
Okay, never mind.
Glock Shinobu. Field tested, okay?
I swear, lately, I do not eat junk food. Like, it's shit, like, it's just so disgusting to me.
Buddy, you're playing Skyrim and your, like, luck or speech is not high enough level, so no one believed that.
Look at the float.
Oh, 079? Boom! Searing Rage. Minimal wear. Okay, wait. This might actually be worth something. 10 euro point 69, baby. Ah, yes. Is this factory new, maybe? Oh, what? 079! 079!
Oh, I think we've heard that!
079.
If you were 5 inches to your mom and your dad was 5 inches into you, which way would you move to get out?
I don't know, Fury. I wouldn't be able to tell you that. However, if I was 5 inches into your dad...
He would go out and back.
At rapid pace.
Bro, that's fucking weird. Like, you don't hear me say that shit about your dad.
You said I will fuck my dad in a video I uploaded like a month ago.
Oh,
Oh, yes! Fever knife! Yes! Oh, no, Damascus! What? Again? Are you kidding me? Factor in you, baby! Yes! What? Just when I'm talking about having sex with your dad. Thank you, Fury Dad. 423 euro. Why are you still just keep opening? You're so degen.
600 cases aren't gonna open themselves.
6 million Jews aren't gonna... No, oh, what? Stat track next to the other one? What is happening? Field tested stat track Searing Rage, Fury. What's happening to your luck? You were talking all that talk before. Searing Rage stat track field tested. Okay, I'm screaming talking all this talk for 12 euro. Fury, I take it back. I'm sorry.
Look at him. He's so... Oh my god.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. God forbid a man has some fun in his free time.
Bro, I can't get anything. I don't know what the fuck.
Yo! Oh, stat track! Holy shit! Holy
That's
shit!
rarer than a knife.
Wait, yeah, that's rarer than a knife. Wait, holy shit, wait, hello? This could actually be really good, please.
I'm cooked.
Minimal way!
I'm
Yes!
fucking cooked. I'm fucking cooked.
Yes, baby! 309 euro. That's almost like the knife. Nice, thank you for that AK Fury. I'll be taking that shit.
Ananı sikeceğim orospu çocuğu.
Yeah, don't speak Swedish to me, buddy. Oh, there's nothing behind those eyes.
If I make a comeback...
I'll suck it. Oh!
Bro, I thought you got a knife, man. Stop scaring me.
Hey! Fury, I'm not gonna lie, this shit must look so crazy for you in gray only. Like,
Bro, I see the colors.
Is everything just black and white for you?
No, I see the another one for you. Enjoy.
Wait, and I opened stat track searing rage. Wait, did you actually open that?
Yeah, I did.
Field tested.
Oh, that's quite nice. That's a little
Wait,
treat.
what the fuck was that? That was zesty shit. I meant to do. Okay, we take the. Wait, what? Why the fuck is there two logos next to each other? Do you see this?
I have one only.
Yeah, look. What? What? CS, try not to have a glitch impossible challenge. Lime, who are you talking to? Your mom?
No, my little brother. Want to see him?
Is he single?
What the fuck?
Wait, how old is he?
16.
Okay, is he single? I'm kidding. No!
Bro, if I'm not getting one single knife, I'm gonna crash out. What's a like count on your video that you never like, that you really rarely get?
Oh my god! Another knife!
way.
Oh my god! Yes! Holy shit! Oh my god! Yes! I'm fucking you! Furious! Oh yes! Oh my god! Furious! Holy shit! I'm gonna pass out. I'm actually gonna pass out. Skeleton fucking Doppler! No fucking way! 0.007. This has to be a phase 3. Dude, my heart. Phase 3, yeah, phase 3. Oh my god. 1,800 euro. It's maxed on Steam. There's only one listed. This is so much.
He's doing a dance. He's doing a dance.
Pow, and the Fury dad just pow, pow, pow,
Okay,
pow.
right, that's-
Even with the cases, I'm in profit. This is something that never happens when you open cases. Plus all of your skins. The 2 op print streams.
I hate to see you happy like this.
I hate that you're happy like this. Yeah, that's why you disapprove of me and your father's relationship.
Bro, stop saying that shit!
Searing rage, well worn. Just another one in the basket.
Bro, this is painful.
Oh, hey, yeah, that's what your dad says as well, bro. Oh, back-to-back pinks. No way, what's happening?
Losing? You're talking about fucking his dad.
Bro, am I not getting one knife in 600 cases?
You need to beg more.
Please, Goblin.
Okay, look, I'll quick roll these 4 because you're crying. Boom. 1, 2, boom. 3, boom. If it's another P2000, okay, good. And last one, boom. Oh my god, I can't believe it. No, man. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh!
Bro, how the fuck are you this lucky? This is like the 3rd fucking print stream.
Field tested 0.19. Okay, okay.
I'm opening the next one.
Fury, that's another 110 euro. Just buddy.
Fuck up. You fucked me, man. Okay, we get it.
This is me and my luck right now. When you've had too much. Can you get like a knife that's like 600 euro? Like 1,000 euro or something?
Suck it? Can you suck it?
Yes, please.
There you go, Lida. Enjoy.
Thank you. Another KR factory.
Do you not feel bad about yourself when you look at yourself in the mirror? Don't you think to yourself, man, I'm
Kind
a
of hard
fat
to see around
fuck.
with all the stacks of cash.
Friendly fire will not be tolerated.
I'm not that fat.
How tall are you, Fury?
190.
No, but you're not 190.
I'm 190,
But
bro.
you're like hikes. You're lying for fame. Your weight? How many kilo?
What?
How many kilo? How many kilo?
120.
You're lying. Okay.
120!
Your BMI is 33.2.
Is that good? That sounds low.
If you can choose out of every occupation in the world, what would you want to do for work?
Rapist.
Fuck! I had hiccups.
Try to hold your breath
Yeah.
and don't breathe out. I swear!
No.
Just so you know, if you win, I'm not giving you anything. Wait.
Hey, this might be a skeleton. It's not a skeleton.
Tiger tooth. It's a skeleton. Wait. It's a. Wait. What is that? It's a parkour tiger tooth. It's a parkour tiger. No, it's a. Ah! Is it gonna be 2,000 euro to beat me out? 259 euro. Fury, my op print stream is worth more. Thank you for your first fever knife ever.
Let's just get this over with, man.
I'm a bird of prey, and I'm here to eat your fucking face.
Oh my god!
Talon fade!
Funny.
I'm on my last 2 cases. Fury, last 2 cases. Handshake, handshake. This was a nice battle, bro. Not for you, but I mean for me, yeah. It was a nice battle. Whoopam!
You're just gonna clutch up right at the end, and you're gonna.
If you, I'm gonna move it tag into you. Fury, I won.
User disconnected from your channel.
Okay. That was a very good case battle. I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, I won. You know, shit. My best knife, skeleton doppler. That's actually my best gold in a long time. GG's, Fury. You won the last one on your channel, and I won this one on my channel. It's actually like we
What do you mean?
scripted it.
I won. You said that the loser wins everything. Don't tell me you're gonna cut.
And yet another Nomad Damascus factory new Fury. You bought the last one I opened. You want to buy this one as well?
No, I'm good.
Okay, well.
Like and subscribe, and I'll open this on stream.
Did you scalp that?
Yeah, listen, scalping is when you're.
Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love him!